Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. In the next 2 to 3 videos I'll be completing my battery pack build. Just to recap, this is a 20S 10P pack using Samsung 28A cells. These are from used laptop batteries with their current capacities ranging from 1800 to about 2400 milliamp. When new, the maximum capacity was 2800 milliamp with a maximum charge voltage of 4.3 volts and a cutoff of 2.75 volts. Max discharge was about 2C, which would put it about 5 amps per cell, times 10 in parallel will give me roughly maybe 50 amps that this battery pack can put out. The BMS I'm used is rated at 60 amp continuous, 120 peak. The spot welder, you can Google it. I got it off of eBay. It's the Power 788 Plus 220 volt, which is a welder slash charger combo. Primary current is 2 to 15 amps with a welding current of 50 to 800 amps. Metal thickness that it can accommodate is 0.1 to 1 millimeter, but I think that's a little exaggerated.
Are you with me? I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky, drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights, listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? Are you with me? Listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky, drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights, listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky, drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights, listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky, drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights, listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? Are you with me? Are you with me?
Okay, here I'm doing one more check of the series cells just to see if I can get approximately 3.7 volts nominal per series, just to make sure I haven't messed up any of the welds. This pack is severely unbalanced. I can't wait to get the lead soldered up and get it on my get the BMS charging through my new 6 amp charger I purchased. Next video will show me soldering the leads and the primary positive and negative terminals, as well as the connection of the BMS. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos.